Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Let's learn about cube and cube root. Okay, so let's see what is the cube. So when the same number is multiplied 3 times, it gives a cube of that number. So let's take a look at the example. 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 is multiplied 3 times and the multiply gives 64. So we can say 64 is cube of 4. So n into n gives n cube. So power of 3 is called cube. So the formula is n cube. Now let's take a look at a few other examples here. So the cube of 1 is 1 is to power 3, 1 cube. The cube of 2 is 2 to the power 3, and 1 is multiplied 3 times gives 1, 2 multiplied 3 times gives 8. Similarly, cube of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. Cube of 4 is 4 into 4 into 4 is 64, and so on. Now let's take a look at what is perfect cube. So if any natural number like 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to infinity, if we find the cube of that natural number, whatever answer we get, that answer is perfect cube. So in this case, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, all these numbers are perfect cube. What it means is if any number is lying in between 1 and 8, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, similarly 9, 10, 11, 12. So any number lying between these two numbers are not the perfect cube. And the perfect cube can be end with any number at the end. Let's see what the cube root is. The cube root is totally opposite of cube. So when we multiply the same number 3 times, we get the cube. But in cube root, if we want to find the cube root of any number, we need to see it is a cube of which number. So if I want to find the cube root of 8, I see it's a cube of 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and that is where the cube root of 8 becomes 2. And the way we represent is, you remember the square root sign? So here we write 3, so this becomes cube root of that number. So cube root of 1 is, it is a 1 into 1 into 1, so answer is 1. Cube root of 8 is, it's 2 into 2 into 2, so answer is 2. The cube root of 27 is 3 into 3 into 3, so answer is 3. So similarly, we can find the cube root of other numbers. Now we'll see the one of the interesting fact, which how it is related to the odd number. So if you look at the cube of the number, cube of 1 is 1 into 1 into 1, the answer is 1. The cube of 2 is 2 into 2 into 2, answer is 8, and cube of 3 is 3 into 3 into 3, answer is 27. But how it is related to odd number? So for 1, its cube of 1 is 1, but when you look at the cube of 2, what it means is we are adding two odd numbers, but not the first two. Here in cube of 1, the first number is 1, so the subsequent number 3 and 5. So cube of 3 is adding 3 odd numbers after 5, so 7, 9 and 11. So that is how, if we have to find cube of any number, it has to be sum of those many numbers. So it is sum of 5 odd numbers. Now the question is, which is the first number which we have to take, because we cannot keep going like this in sequence, right? So there's a formula which we can use. And this formula, the first odd number we can find here. So formula is n into n minus 1 plus 1. So if you have to find cube of 5, we can say 5 into 5 minus 1, which is 4. So 5 into 4 is 20 plus 1, 21. So what it means is this first number will start from 21, and it is a cube of 5. It has to be 5 numbers. So 21, 23, 25, 27, and 29. If we add all these numbers, we get 125. So the cube of 5 is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125. And if you add these 5 numbers, you will get 125. Similarly, using this formula, you can find the first number, which can be used to find, which can be used to do the sum of rest of the numbers. One more fact we all should know is what is Hardy-Ramanujan number. So just remember this 1729 is Hardy-Ramanujan number. This is asked many times in the exam as an objective question. This is how we complete our cube and cube root chapter. If you have any doubt, any questions, feel free to add in the description. Thank you.